Hi guys, RC Racer here. So today we're unboxing the FTX Carnage brushed version, the 2.0. So purchased this for 100 quid, so it's not a bad price, really good beginner's car if you're going to go brushed. There's a brushless version for £200, but I've got this one for my son in red. To try and get him into RC cars, see if he likes it without being too fast, so he can drive it around and not crash into things and break it to pieces. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox it now. As you see, got the red version. Let's take the shell down here. So that's the body shell, and next is the chassis of the car and the transmitter. Pull that out. Battery, so it comes with to make some room, comes with a 1800 7.2 volt battery. Runtime on these isn't very good, so I would get rid of that one, put in I've got a 3600 battery to give us a bit longer run times, but then you can also put in a LiPo, so they're LiPo ready, so you could put in like a 7.2 volt LiPo battery, 2 cell or a 3 cell. I'd probably put 2 cell, otherwise it's going to fall apart. So it's just brushed. There's the manual, other bits and pieces in there. Okay, so here's the Carnage out the box. As you can see, body shells on it at the moment. It's the monster truck, and it's a 1/10 scale. So this is, as I said before, the brush version. Just having a look out the box. Yeah, these are supposed to be chrome, but if you look here, look, that is like a really mingy kind of white paint into chrome. Not really sure it's supposed to be like that. It's the same on this one. Not sure how well it picks up. What's it like on the other side? Again, it's just a bit crusty into chrome. I'm not really sure it's supposed to be like that. It looks like someone with like white paint has put their fingers all over there outside of the rims, or when they've probably glued the tyres, potentially. Taking off the shell. Not having much luck with this one, but this one's come cracked already, as you see here, the box. These shells are notoriously flimsy on the Carnage. They're like made of rice paper. They're not, but they're not very good. Chuck that in there. So looking at the car we've got coming in, you've got aluminium on here for the shocks, a nice bit of blue going on there, black springs. The chassis, just try and get this camera down here. There's quite a lot of give in the chassis, and it's pretty high, I could tell you. I just happen to have a tape measure here. The clearance is 2 inches. There. And then we've got the brushed motor with a heatsink here. Tamiya connection to go to the battery. That's servos, steering, turning it around. So where the battery goes, just goes in here. A couple of clips either side. Coming around the front, you've got the front bumper. Does it come out beyond the tyres? So what hits first? Let's find a wall. Yeah, it does. So that would hit your wall first, the back of the car. And as you can see, the rear shocks on there. So it's not bad. Transmitter's all packed up in the box. Let's have a quick look. Hi guys, so I'm not sure what happened with my video, but transmitter, yeah, it's here, this electronics pulse. What is it, a 3-channel? And then obviously here you just got the throttle and the steering. You can swap those around, and then you've got the trim and the steering trim and the power button here. Obviously turn and the trigger, and then underneath is where the batteries go, probably about 4 batteries in there. And then just to show you the 3600 battery, here we go, and the charger comes with it. Basically Tamiya connections, so that goes into there, pushes in. To give you a bit longer run time, so time wise, the one out of the box, the 1800, probably run for about 5-8 minutes if you're lucky. This will probably run 15-20 minutes, double capacity. So yeah, LiPo probably run for about half an hour, if 40 minutes if you're lucky, on a 2-cell. But yeah, this one is just, what would it cost me? $12.99. And then I'll probably get rid of the other 1800, make some of the money back. So yeah. So yes, that was the unboxing video of the Carnage 2.0. Just an update on the shell that was cracked. I've contacted the company, make it, build it, and they're basically sending me another shell in blue. So yeah, I'll post another video of the car when it's out and about, and I should have a replacement shell for it. So that's nice of them. So yeah, RC Racer out. Any questions, comments? Comment below. Thanks. See you guys.